Found mold and wondering if your insurance will pay for it? The answer depends entirely on how the mold got there. Here is what actually matters. If mold grows because of a covered event, like a pipe that suddenly burst, most homeowners' policies will pay to remediate it. The key word is sudden and accidental. What is not covered is mold from long-term humidity, a slow leak you ignored, or poor ventilation you never addressed. Insurers treat that as a maintenance issue, not a claim. Even when mold is covered, a lot of policies set a specific dollar cap on mold remediation, often far lower than your general dwelling limit. Check your declarations page for that number. Mold can start growing within a day or two of standing water. The faster you fix the source and dry the area, the stronger your case for coverage and the less mold you will have to deal with. Photograph the original water damage, not just the mold. Insurers want to see the sudden event that caused it, so that evidence is what your claim leans on. A professional mold inspection gives you documentation an adjuster will actually take seriously, and it confirms how far the mold has spread before remediation starts. Whether or not insurance covers it, that mold needs to come out safely. Call Water Damage Restoration Dallas at 469-804-9910.